Hey guys, this is Jared with ProfilesThatPOP, getting you first impressions in seconds. Now I give a few top tips in these profile pop-up posts, that's a mouthful, to help as many people as possible. But it's got to be concise and precise because you get 7 seconds for those first impressions. So today's is for Bhavishnu, if I'm saying your name correctly, hope I am. That picture I would zoom in and maybe even get rid of the background, and I have a tool for that. Free website. This other background that you have is good for a recruiter, which is what you are. So, you're looking for somebody, you're looking for people that are kind of walking toward you, hopefully toward you. That's the kind of idea. It's a good connotation. You could even add words to that. There's so much open space to that, you could add words. But the first impression people get about your profile is right there. That picture, that's why I say to zoom in. Your name, luckily you cut it off with the S there, but hopefully people know how to find you. That's the only concern I have with not showing a last name. And senior recruiter at whatever place.